Hello everyone, my name is Rajni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you may see, today's look is all about winter. So, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to create this look. So, the very first thing I do before starting anything, skincare or makeup, is tying my hair. Not tying, but today I'm not tying it, but I'm doing it behind so that it doesn't bother me while I'm doing my makeup. So, I'm good now. Let's get started. Apply primer on my face so that my makeup will last long whole night. So let's do it. This is the very first step. After this I will be covering this pigmented area which I have. आज का look medium coverage होगा, not very coverage. So as you may see, आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो अभी फर्स्ट लेयर ही लगा है कंसीलर का and pigmentations are gone and dark circle is gone, everything is gone. So now I will be applying foundation. बहुत ही कम लेयर लगाऊंगी मैं इस बार because I'm not in a mood of full coverage. Because winters में we don't want very heavy makeup, correct? Because any which ways your skin gets very dry and ज़्यादा makeup लगाने से वो और dry होता है. That's why applying this thin layer of foundation, very thin layer actually. I will not apply very thick. So let's go ahead. As you may see, मैं अंडर आई के नीचे नहीं लगाऊंगी. No, I avoid that because I will be anyways applying a highlight concealer, a very light color concealer to highlight those areas. So मैं वहाँ पे avoid करती हूँ. So winter is all about very fashionable clothes, good cozy makeup which looks very nice. अब हम अपने makeup को highlight करेंगे. So to highlight you always have to use a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than your skin. So as I have always said, you apply highlighter below your under eye. Never apply it right here because that is going to crease and it's going to look very bad. So नीचे लगाइए and then you can further build it up ऊपर. That's it. And then on the areas where you want highlight, जैसे कि मुझे यहाँ पसंद है, यहाँ पसंद है, यहाँ पसंद है. So that's all up to you. वो practice के साथ आ जाता है. But now you can see I will be highlighting here as well. That's it. I always prefer my hand. You can use brush as well, but hands I'm comfortable with. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके highlight कर लीजिए. And then you can further build your concealer on top of it. So आज जो हम मेकअप कर रहे हैं, I want to make it look very seamless and comfortable because winter is already so cold and you don't want to just lather makeup on your face very much, otherwise it will become very uncomfortable, correct? So seamless रखेंगे but we will make it look nice. So we are done highlighting our face with concealer. Now we will directly jump on to eye makeup. Let's go ahead. For that I will apply a little concealer just to give a base. So जैसे कि आपने देखा कि मैंने eyelid में हल्का सा concealer लगाया just to even it out, ताकि वो आपके eyelid के कलर कभी कभी आपके स्किन के कलर से डिफरेंट होता है और वो डिफरेंट ना दिखे. एंड बहुत ही हल्का डस्ट करके कॉम्पैक्ट लगाया बिकॉज बहुत लोग की eyelid ऑयली होती है, मेरी भी थोड़ी सी ऑयली है. सो दिस इज़ फॉर दोस्त जिसकी eyelid ऑयली होती है. हल्का सा पाउडर लगाएं ताकि क्रीज ना हो. दैट्स इट. एंड देन आई एम स्लाइटली टेकिंग द ब्राउन शेड एंड गोइंग ऑन द क्रीज ऑफ माई आईज. आई डोंट नो, इन विंटर मुझे ब्राउन शेड बहुत पसंद है. लाइक रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ हॉट चॉकलेट. ब्राउन जस्ट screams winter, मुझे ऐसा फील होता है. And then summers में you feel like doing pink because it's very fresh pink and blush pink and then peachy pink. So I just personally feel like winters में brown, nude, all these colors look good and summers में pink, peach, all this look good. If you feel the same, please comment down below, okay? Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So let's see मेरी thought process और आपका भी same है कि नहीं. So I just slightly go on my crease with the brown shade, as you may see. You have to blend it well. कोई भी lines ना छोड़े, अच्छे से blend कीजिए. Just like this, as you may see. So आपको जितना चाहिए आप उतना blend करें, ठीक है. मुझे consistency थोड़ी ज़्यादा चाहिए थी because आई पर्सनली फील लाइक विंटर्स में पार्टी में थोड़ा सा योर आई शुड एटलीस्ट स्पीक, not very much, but as you can see the chocolate consistency, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm building this, yeah. मुझे लगता है ये हो गया, अगर लगेगा तो बाद में और कर सकते हैं, बट अभी के लिए इतना बहुत लग रहा है मुझे, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए. एंड देन आई एम गोइंग अहेड विद अ शिमर. सो मैं एक ऐसा ब्रश ले रही हूँ, एज यू कैन सी दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्रश. आई विल टेक द शिमर एंड देन नाइसली मेक अ कट क्रीज, लाइक नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ कट क्रीज, बट yeah, it's like a cut crease, you may see, yeah, like that. Exactly like this, okay? Follow this part of your eyes and make it a cut crease. It's going to look very nice. So as you may see, I'm done with this eyes. It should look like this. So I'll just do with this eyes and quickly get back to you. So I guess I'm done with my eyes and मैं इतना ही रखना प्रेफर करूँगी, बिकॉज अगर मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी और ज़्यादा बिल्ड करने का मन करेगा तो आई डू दैट लेटर. मेकअप में मैं हमेशा थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट करती हूँ एंड देन इफ़ आई फील लाइक डूइंग इट मोर, मैं बाद में थोड़ा ज़्यादा करती हूँ. अगर मैं स्टार्टिंग में ही ज़्यादा कर दूँगी देन आई विल हैव टू रब इट ऑफ, एंड इफ इट डजंट गो विद द लुक, so never do that. So always start makeup by less, then go more. So see, as I have done less, later if I want to I will go more, but abhi ke liye itna theek hai. So let's go ahead. Next step is I want a little wing, a very small wing. So main wo wing form karungi. I'll be using this brush, this very fine looking brush, to form the wing. As I always say, go with little, later build it up. Because आप अगर स्टार्टिंग में ही ज़्यादा कर दोगे फिर निकालना बहुत ही बेकार हो जाएगा एंड आपका पूरा मेकअप बेकार हो जाएगा. एंड व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग आईलाइनर, प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अप्लाई विथ ओपन आइज. खुले आँखों में कीजिए वरना फिर नहीं होगा, अदरवाइज इट विल कॉज अ प्रॉब्लम टू यू. I'll keep it this much for now. बाद में देखते हैं. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा अभी नहीं करूँगी, जब करना होगा मे बी later I will build it. For now this much is fine. So as you can see मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा eyeliner किया है and then I'm done. इससे ज़्यादा मे बी if required तब build करूँगी, वरना अभी के लिए तो I'm leaving it like this only. So let's go ahead with the further step. We'll apply mascara and then we'll go with the lower lash. So this is my savior because I have straight lashes. तो मैं इसका इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. For all the girlies जिसकी lashes बहुत straight हैं, don't worry, use this and it is very helpful. तो बस ऐसे लगा के ऐसे करो. Leave it for 10 seconds and then you will have curled lashes. That's it. देखो मैं बस 10 सेकेंड गिनती हूँ and then I'm done. After that, go ahead and apply your favorite mascara. I like this one from Maybelline and I have others also which I'm a Maybelline fan. Maybelline makes very good mascaras and L'Oreal too. High end में Too Faced is good, बाकी मैंने try नहीं किया है. So I'll go ahead and apply this. So to make your eyelashes look fuller, पहले मैं opposite side में लगाती हूँ like this and then go ahead and apply it like this. It really makes a difference. मैंने personally देखो मैं खुद लगा रही हूँ. As you couldn't see my lashes थोड़ी देर पहले, अभी देखो दिख रहा है. So that's a trick. तो मैं आप लोग को भी बोलूँगी पहले पीछे लगाओ ऐसे, फिर आगे लगाओ ऐसे. मस्कारा सीरियसली आपकी आंखें खोल देता है. सो डेज़ व्हेन आई डोंट गेट प्रॉपर स्लीप और मुझे बहुत स्लीप डिप्राइव फील होता है एंड आई लुक वेरी स्लीपी, मुझे ऑफिस जाना होता है, देन आई गो अहेड एंड अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ मस्कारास. क्योंकि उस दिन मेरा रेस्क्यू मस्कारा ही होता है। तो जस्ट अप्लाई इट प्रॉपरली। मैं बहुत जेनरसली अप्लाई करती हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा ही लगाने वालों में से नहीं हूँ, अच्छे से लगाती हूँ एज यू कैन सी। बाकी भी लग गया है बट विल क्लीन दैट। आई विल क्विकली टीच यू हाउ टू क्लीन द फॉल आउट्स एंड ये जो ऊपर ऊपर मस्कारा लग जाता है ना, इसको आप इससे क्लीन करो, बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन होता है। जैसे कि इसको देखो, यहाँ पे था ना, ये दिख रहा है, अब दिख रहा है नहीं ना? सो दैट्स हाउ यू क्लीन इट। जस्ट क्लीन इट विथ दिस क्यू-टिप एंड आपका मेकअप जैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा एंड nothing is gonna spoil. So I'll quickly do this mascara and get back to you. So I'm done with both the mascaras. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो मेरा दोनों मस्कारा हो गया है। Now we'll go ahead with lower lashes. Well, so let me tell you, सिर्फ ऊपर का करना, it's not complete. If you want a complete look, you have to even go ahead and do lower lashes to give that open eye look. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll suggest you to take a very thin brush. ये ज़्यादा पतला नहीं है, but if you have thinner than this, वो बेटर रहेगा। मैं इससे मैनेज कर सकती हूँ। सो आई विल टेक दिस एंड आई विल सजेस्ट यू, पतला है तो बेटर है। इसको जाके आपको बस लोअर लैश में हल्का सा ऐसे करके लगा देना है। हल्का सा लीजिए, यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए एंड देन जस्ट फिनिश दैट ओनली टिल इनसाइड, बिकॉज ज़्यादा लेके पूरा करोगे एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू मेक यू लुक वेरी वियर्ड, थोड़ा बिगड़ जाएगा वो। तो हल्का सा लेके डस्ट, डू यू सी? यस। सो उतना ही बहुत है, हल्का सा लो एंड डू द सेम थिंग इन द अदर साइड एज वेल। सी, वेरी लेस, वेरी लिटिल एंड दैट्स मोर देन इनफ। हो गया। उसके बाद मैं बताती हूँ फिर क्या करते हैं। आई अप्लाई काजल, मैं थोड़ा सा काजल लगाऊंगी। ये काजल यूज़ कर रही हूँ प्लम का। सो आई विल गो अहेड एंड अप्लाई दिस काजल इन द लोअर लैश। आपको बस हल्का सा काजल लगाना है, दैट्स इट। So I have applied the kajal and I have applied it only in the waterline. After you apply kajal, I use this Sky High mascara by Maybelline. This is something I use for my lower lashes. ये बिल्कुल भी smudge नहीं होता. That's what I have seen and it doesn't smudge. That's why I use this in my lower lash line.
आंखें पूरी खुल गई है, so you can see the difference.
Now मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई मेकअप हो गया है। इससे ज़्यादा करूँगी तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग सकता है। या दिस इज़ फाइन। लेट्स गो अहेड विद द स्किन। इससे पहले हमने सिर्फ कंसीलर एंड फाउंडेशन लगाया था। सो आई पाउडर इट अ लिटिल बिकॉज थोड़ा सा तो पाउडर करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स पाउडर इट क्विकली। Before I go ahead and powder my face, I will go ahead and apply this liquid blush. So let me tell you one more thing. Before you apply any powder product, you have to be done with liquid products. So मैं liquid product पहले लगाती हूँ. So I'll go ahead and apply this liquid blush. I've already taken it in the back of my hand and then we will go ahead and powder it. So I'll just apply it here, here, here. I don't do it here because I have a very round face and it's a trick for people who have round face. Don't apply it right on the cheeks. It will make your face look even more rounder. If you want to make it snatched like this, go ahead and apply it here. So here we are done with liquid products. Let's quickly jump to powder products. I'm taking this baking powder. So this is something which we apply on the under eyes to bake it and leave it for some time to bake it. So I'll just dab it like this. At the start it looks a little funny. Yeah, like that. And just leave it. That's it. Just leave it and I will apply the same thing on the other side. And leave it. So till then you can do other things and just let it bake. It will give you a very nice highlight and it will literally make your eyes open up, so leave it for some time. Also for eyebrows I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills ka brow freeze, and this works really well to freeze the brows. So let's go ahead. So इससे कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है. I'll just take the thing and apply this on my brows. And then I will go ahead and jaldi brush it like this. You may see this, right? Yeah. So just brush it like this. And then wherever you see this bald patches, like empty patches, वहाँ पे आपको हल्का हल्का भर दो. You know, one more thing I'll tell you, you can press this with hand. After you use the spoolie, just press it with hand. That एक चीज़ आता है जिससे आप press कर सकते हो. But so many things when you can use your hand, why to just buy each and everything? I don't understand. तो मैंने नहीं खरीदा. Maybe in future I'll buy it and show it to you guys, but for now let's use our hand. अपने हाथों का use करें. And wherever you are seeing this patches, bald patches, just use your eyebrow kit. Where is my eyebrow kit? I'll go ahead and do the same thing on my another eyebrows. इसमें ना मैंने थोड़ा सा eyebrow पहले से ही लगा लिया है because थोड़ा सा problem हो रहा था इस वाले में. So just apply this like this, like this, like this, and with the spoolie, just go ahead and shape it. Make it as bushy as you want. May see how laminated my eyebrows look now. Yeah, so that's what we wanted. We just have to press it, as I said. So here we are done with our eyebrows as well. So let's go ahead and quickly remove this excess powder which I have applied here. See how seamless it is looking? Just remove it. That's it. After you remove it, you will see the difference. And this will seriously not budge whole day. So this makes your concealer very long lasting. So we are almost in the last stage of our makeup, so where we'll go ahead and do bronzing. So as I've already told you in my last vlog, we do bronze on this bone. So just go ahead and do it here. Okay, ज़्यादा bronze नहीं करना है, otherwise it will look muddy. So just bronze here in winter where you're looking very bronzy and nice and beautiful with jackets and all the winter clothes. तो बस bronzer करो अच्छे से and look sculpted. And इधर भी एकदम ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हल्का हल्का is fine. Does no harm, guys. Just do it. So I'm done. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी, इतना बहुत है. See, immediately makes a difference. So till now we are done powdering our face, bronzing our face. I have applied liquid blush as well. So let's go ahead quickly with powder blush. So I will be applying blush here. As I've already said, I always apply here to give it a very sculpted look. A little bit on nose here. And we are done here with the blush. If you want to go more, you can go more. I always go overboard when it comes to blush. I just love blush very much. It literally makes you look alive immediately. Do you feel the same? Because I definitely feel without blush, I just don't feel complete. It makes me look alive. Just look at me. I have not applied my lipstick and I already look so alive. That red color, the flush of red on your face immediately makes you look like you're alive. Just see. Now let's quickly jump onto lipstick. We will apply highlighter at last. So as the theme is winter, so I'm applying this very chocolatey color, and that we will go ahead and outline our lips with this chocolatey lip pencil. I'll tell you, lip lining your lips makes a very huge difference. Like literally your lips will look very pouty, very nice. It gives a very clean look. When we apply lipstick like that, it just smudges over here and there. But when you apply lip liner, it really makes a huge difference. So apply a lip liner. This one is from Mars. It's very budget friendly actually. I'll share the link in the description box, and then we'll go ahead and apply a clear gloss inside. I guess this is enough. I don't want to apply more than this. So let's go ahead and finish the look with a little bit of setting spray and highlighter. Let's go ahead. So I'll apply highlighter here because we have done the bronzing here, as you know. So just in the middle, it's good. You see? Yeah, that's it. I'll apply here. Just here. That's it. And a little bit of here. A little bit here. And on the brow bones. I guess I'm shining enough. You can apply it here also. If you're feeling extra, you can apply here also. Just like me. So we are done here. And we are done here. So do let me know how did you find this video, and if you're finding any difficulty in following my video, please do let me know in the comment. I will definitely simplify that for you. Till then, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.